Wyoming.
It's right now about to engulf us. Like, I'm driving into it right now.
It really is. It looks scary looking.
I have never seen anything like this in my life. We're in it now.
I can't believe it. Like, yeah, I know. I really can't believe it.
Camera, I'm videoing it right now. We're in the middle of it right now.
Hey, honey.
Dad, Mommy, can we go to Daddy?
Look, it's pitch black. We are, sweetie. We're going home right now. Look at this. Yeah, get home. I don't blame him for speeding. Get your ass home.
We are in a tornado. That's right where we need to go too. I think that is a tornado. There's like a funnel, look. Yeah. I cannot believe that.
Keluar nih.
Alex, hier ist alles weg. Ach du Scheiße.
Scheiße. Wir fliegen gerade alles vorbei.
Alex, ich hab echt grad...